Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Aaron, and welcome back to Alpha's Trades, where we talk about the stock market and the cryptocurrencies and literally everything revolving around stocks and reading charts and all that good jazz. Before we get any further into the video, let me just go on ahead and say that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Please do your own research and please do your own DD before you believe anything that I say. Now, in today's video, I just want to talk about why I am super 150 billion trillion quadrillion trillion % bullish on Ford stock. Those of you who have been following my channel, those of you who have been in my little group, knows that I've been bullish on Ford since the very beginning. Obviously not the very beginning of time, but like since I've been into trading since the beginning of the year. And yeah, so I've been super bullish, and I just want to share with you guys why I think Ford is going to continue to go up and potentially test these areas of $20 again that we have not seen since when? What is this? 2001. Sheesh. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I really want to talk about is just the technicals. Now, obviously, I'm not going to spend today only talking about technicals. Where I got Ford pulled up here, and I want to just talk about all the cool things that they have going out. And if you guys follow Ford, you guys saw the awesome news that just came out today, which they talked about on their earnings call. I fortunately enough got to listen in, and I knew this was coming eventually, but today they announced a partnership with Walmart, and I think they're going in together to create it's like a form of self-driving delivery service, which is super freaking cool. So that was its news catalyst today, which today saw some crazy volume, 60 million and a 2.80% gain, which is great on Ford. And look at here, it closed at pretty much near the high, which is a great sign. Now let's get into the technicals. As you can see, I already have this wedge pulled up, and I drew this on the hourly chart so long ago, and we can honestly just pull back up the daily chart, and as you can see, it's been in this wedge formation. If we extend lines, they'll eventually touch, but it's been in this wedge formation for quite some times now, since what is that, June 4th 2021, all the way until today, which hopefully it broke. To get a clean break over a technical, or to get a technical breakout or get a clean break, you want to see 1 to 2 candles close above its previous area of resistance, which was about, what on this? Which is about $13. Yeah, so it needed to get above $13 to fully close and break above that, and it did. It closed today at $13.22. Super bullish on it for that reason. Look at here. This is another sweet indication. Look, it thought about having a reversal here to go back under. That would have sucked, but it didn't have this doji candle form. And fortunately for us bulls, it broke up to the upside and even passing the 200 MA on the hourly chart, which is beautiful. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. Let's go back to the daily chart. Now, as you can see here, this bright green line I have here is the MA50. Now, as you can see, Ford loves riding the MA50 whenever it's in a bull trend. And recently, obviously it broke down because it's been in this downward trend for a while. But the MA50 obviously couldn't keep going up, had to catch up. And now I believe since this MA50 has fully caught up, as you can see, a death cross is formed, but I don't think that's going to like fully come to fruition. Like I still believe that we've broken out of this downtrend fully. As you can see right here, the low was 1257, bounced right beautifully off of that descending level of support right there. Boom, right back up, touched one time, said nope, going back up, almost tested the 200 MA, which is great. If it had tested and bounced right back up, that's another area of support that we could have looked at, but it didn't. It crossed and it broke above this descending level of resistance. And going back to the MAs, I really feel like this 200 or this 50 MA is about to cross right back up over the 100 MA, forming a golden cross, therefore signaling the uptrend continuation even further. Right now it is seems to be going on this nice little area of support right here. So let's go to the hourly chart, see if it's doing it fairly well. Yeah, obviously it's doing it fairly well. So I think this 50 MA is going to start going back up, going back over the 100 MA, forming a golden cross, signaling a continuation of an uptrend that's clearly going on and about to be breakout heavy right now. Now I can't even lie to you guys, in the short term, I do think we're going to see some pullback in the morning or the pre-market, maybe even morning dip. Ford loves to dip in the mornings. Obviously right here the MACD on the 1 hour chart is signaling that, and maybe the 2 hour chart, not the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart for the long term is still bullish, but the short term, hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, maybe the 10, definitely the 5, all of those are showing a trend reversal, a short-term trend reversal. Hopefully we can still get this break above the 200 MA and hold that, and then going on to the next coming days into the next following weeks, we can go ahead and see these daily candles start to close above the 100 and the 50 MA, also therefore signaling a uptrend. But guys, like I said, I think with today's news, Ford and Walmart both partnering together, forming their self-driving delivery service, I think that was the nail of the hammer. And what I really truly fully 100% believe in my heart that will be the 100% nail in the hammer is when the chip shortage gets taken care of. Guys, if you've been following Ford, you know that the stupid chip shortages have been preventing Ford from manufacturing new cars. They've been coming out with new cars and designs and stuff like this, and this is what we're about to get into, but they've been unable to make them because of chip shortages. Like, they can't get the computers to work in the cars, obviously, without the chips. So whenever the shortages get taken care of, I really fully believe that this stock is about to get sent up back to the $16 level, and then therefore onto some new 52-week highs. And then I don't think we're going to see a new all-time high here soon. I think we see that later on in the years, maybe even next year, but later on in the years. What I said earlier in my previous videos, though, my PT for this is 20 to 25, and I still firmly believe that by the end of the year, what day is it? September, October, November, December. So in 3 months, okay, actually, yeah, I still think we could definitely test this and maybe see 20 by the end of the year. Now going on to, that's enough of the technicals, going on to what Ford is literally all about. Guys, just look at all these beautiful cars that have hit the market this year. Obviously, they keep upgrading, like the Ford Ranger. They'll obviously keep upgrading the F-150, coming out with newer versions every single year. But this year they came out with a few newer, or some new cars. The F-150 Lightning. Oof. Let's look at this baby real quick. Oh my gosh. All electric pickup truck. First of all, that's the first one I think Ford has came out with. All electric pickup truck. Oh, and then the Maverick, which is a hybrid. Both of these trucks, I should say, super sexy. I love them. Now let's go to the electric vehicle section. As I said, we got the the Maverick, and we got the Lightning. But another car they also came out with this year, the Mustang Mach-E. Look at this beautiful baby. Like I said, guys, the chip shortage is unfortunately the main problem in Ford's demise right now, but as soon as those get underway, God, it's literally a wrap. So a couple of the cars that they came out with this year are the Maverick, the Mach-E, the F-150 Lightning, and a classic. Guys, you cannot forget about the Bronco. They brought that puppy back out this year after it not being in stores or on the market since, I don't even know, it was like 1970 or some crap like that. I don't even know. For a long time, and they finally brought it back out, and just look how beautiful that freaking thing looks. Like, if I ever get rich off the stock market, guy, I'm getting one of these. Definitely getting some Ford cars because I've been bullish on Ford. And yeah, I got me some calls today on that lovely news, and I just want to see how much they're up, just so you guys know, like, I'm not BSing y'all whenever I am bullish on Ford. I got 3 calls today at the strike price of 13.5, expiring October 1st, 2021, and they are up 46.88%, looking to sell either tomorrow or Friday or the next week, depending on what Ford does. But yeah, guys, with everything that's been going on, all the cars that are coming out, all the orders that are coming in, as soon as the chip shortage gets underway, like it's a wrap. It's literally a wrap. Ford's gonna start manufacturing these cars. Everybody's gonna start getting them. I know the earnings did get beat up pretty bad, but it wasn't as bad as a loss as everybody was thinking. Let's look at future vehicles real quick. The Lightning, like I said, the Bronco, the Edge, the Explorer, the Bronco Sport, the Escape. Wait, are all these? Oh, no, just kidding. The F-150 Lightning, the E-Transit, the Explorer ST line. Woof, woof. All of the other cars already came out. That's why they're not in the future. But yeah, that is why I am bullish on Ford. Like I said earlier, though, please do your own DD, please do your own research. It's all laid out right here in front of you. Just based off of simple technical analysis and what is going on with Ford coming out with all the new cars and doing the partnership, trying to become one of the first to do like a self-driving delivery service. The future for Ford is very bright in my opinion. Wow, I'm sorry if my mic or my camera wasn't as good. Wow, I'm sorry guys. Wow. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, do your own DD, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I have no freaking clue what I'm talking about. Happy trading, guys. Enjoy the next 2 days. Coming up, I actually have a challenge that I plan on doing. I plan on taking $500, turning it into either 1,000 or 2,000, probably 2,000. And to make this even sweeter and even better, I'm going to be taking you guys along throughout the journey. So make sure you stay tuned through that. Also got another Bitcoin Cash video coming out very soon, just to give you guys a quick update on that. But anyways, guys, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.